In today's video, let me show you how to fix the BDO card declined online. Now, if you're facing this issue within the BDO card or the BDO platform, the first thing that you need to do is enable the web purchase feature. If you have not yet enabled the web purchase feature, this is the exact issue that you're facing. So what you simply need to do is, within the application of BDO, you simply need to head over to the more cards control section, where you should be able to see the option called web purchasing or e-commerce. You simply need to make sure that the option is toggled on. If this was toggled off for you previously, this is the exact issue that you're facing. Also, sometimes what happens is your card gets locked within the application. So within the same settings, you should also be able to see the option called locking and unlocking your card. Make sure that the card is unlocked. None of these solutions are working out for you, then you need to make sure that you have not reached your daily spending limit, and also make sure that your account or your card has sufficient balance. Now, if you're not trying all of these steps, you're still facing this issue, and if this is not the case for you, then this is likely happening due to either system outage or app glitch. So in this situation, what you simply need to do is reinstall the application of BDO onto your device. If you're using it online using the online version, you simply need to clear out the browser cache. And as I said, it also could be due to the system outage or system being down right now. So in this situation, just wait out a few minutes or sometimes even a few hours before the issue is automatically solved. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.